Okay, so here's my other box. I just got it out of the mail. Out of the little mailbox after I got the big one from the post office. So here it is. And it's Molly's school outfit. So, yeah, and if you haven't seen my other video of her Clifford robe thingy, go check it out. Right here, annotation. If I don't put an annotation there, it would be really weird. Oh, it's really soft cotton, both. There. Little ribbons. So yeah, I got her school outfit. So yeah, it's just this shirt and this dress. This dress would be nice on its own. Maybe with some tights. That would be cute. So yeah, that's your school outfit, and go check out the other video, annotation again. I'll probably not put annotations there, so it'll be really weird, but yeah. Bye!